Well, another one of my projects today is dropping by my vlog. This is puppy love plus one, and I'm going to wash the daddy Shih Tzu here, Pet Buddy, and as seen on TV by Handy Trenos, that is, Handy Trenos. So here's the little buddy here. Put your soap in here, squeeze it. You're gonna get the soap out of here. If you want to buy, it looks like if you want to buy a hose adapter, you can do that. And what I like, it's got the little hairbrush teeth, kind of stiff. And our Shih Tzu seemed to find a vine out there in the yard. I've done my best to get rid of it, and it leaves little balls on them. Let's see, sturdy bristles. Okay, where I was thinking. So let's see how this is going to work. Off. I gotta find the dog soap. Okay, well, I guess she wants me to use the aroma care on him. Let's see if it's gonna suck it.
As much as I pushed on that thing, it would not give me any soap. I guess towards the end, what I did is I put water in it, mixed it a little bit, and it helped foam it. But I'm thinking you really need to put that hose adapter on there, and then when you push that button down, it's going to pressurize it and let the water go out. But next time I wash them, I'll do that. But it doesn't work very well in just sucking by just pushing on it, sucking the soap out of it.
Fill it up. See if that'll help it out, because that's some thick soap. Okay. One in there. Huh. Well, maybe I got a defective pump. Okay, I'm good here. Alright. Well, I wish this worked as advertised. Come on, Pooh! Come on, Pooey! Pooey! There he is. There's my man. I'm feeling more pressure on that. All right, buddy. Come on. There we go. What you think? Oh, see these little balls? They get these little balls on them. They are crazy. See them little green balls? Stick to everything. He's got tons of them on here. And then we cut him up the other day. Get him out of the... Alright, let's get... What are you guys doing? Back down that. Need a little bit. There you go. There. How'd that feel? Huh? How'd that feel? Yeah, I know you're shake on me. Whoop. No, you're not done. Get over here. What the hell is that thing? Water. A cricket. Let's get the hot water going. Get it warm, super hot. Alright, there we go. Oh, you ain't cold yet. Freaking warm in the house. Here, take a bath. Yeah, feel good, huh? What are you shivering for? It's warm water. Yeah. Get all those things out of here. Okay, we're off. So I have to get up. Whoa, you carried away now. There we go, bud. There we go. Man. Let's get those. Get those balls off you, dude.
I thought that was going to help, but it's not because the bristles are spaced too far apart. If you've got a big animal,
they're not coming
that
up.
would probably work well.
Just staying there. I'm afraid of that.
Our animal's got lots of hair. We just shaved him for the summer, so it really didn't do much good.
Bristles are big. Man, you got a ton of them on you. Your whole ear is covered. Babe?
Yeah?
I need a comb or something. You are covered, dude.
What do you want?
I need a comb. He's got tons of these balls on him.
Why won't the brush get them out?
It's they're too wide. They just go right over it.
Anything's gonna go right over it.
You want to stay here and I'll go up there and get it? You want to climb up the stairs? Stay right there and freeze for a minute. Yeah. You ain't done yet, dude. Damn. Things in your hair, dude. Ah, damn. No! Get them over your head. All over your head, dude. Damn, look at them. Damn, dude. Get them off and get them back on.